Oh, we're still talking about red beans and rice Mondays, and red beans and rice, as was explained to me, born out of necessity, people being very busy and just needing something that they can get done quickly. We are still very, very busy today. Don't even have time sometimes to let a pot sit and boil. Come to the rescue. The slow cooker, the Instapot. Jennifer Trahan, Christine Fulton showing me how to make this traditional recipe, but with some modern cookware.
Yes, this is basically the same ingredients that we talked about before. 1 pound of camellia red kidney beans, 1 pound of smoked andouille sausage sliced, a 1/4 stick of butter, 2 cups of chopped vegetables, onion, celery, bell pepper, 1 clove of garlic chopped, 1 whole bay leaf, salt and pepper to taste, Cajun seasoning to taste, and 6 cups of Cajun country rice, medium or long grain. All right, we have our Instapot here, and what we've done so far is we've added a little bit of oil, and we've sweated our sausage, and we've put in some butter. Now we're cooking down our vegetables. The rest is simple. Throw all the rest of the ingredients in and cover it up and turn it on. But what I really want to share with you right now is a trick my grandmother taught me years ago to make rice very simply without measuring. And I can hear all of you out there whose grandmothers also taught them this, nodding right now. Yes, yes, I know how to do that. You just pour however much rice you want, don't have to measure it, and add the water. And once it all settles down in the water, your measuring stick is your pinky. Your first knuckle on your pinky, you place the top of your pinky on top of the rice, fill the water till it hits your first knuckle. So we need a little bit more there. And you're gonna have a perfect pot of rice every time.
Cool. That sounds good to me. You nailed it.